Hi, this is Charlie at My Messy Fingers. Welcome. I worked on a custom request, and the paper that I used was by Photoplay, and it's called Hot Diggity Dog. The woman who wanted me to make this is a very good repeat customer of mine, so I went ahead and told her I would make this. But as you notice in this, there are very little feminine colors. They're very bold in their colors. And her dog being a female, the only way I could make this female is to put this on the front. Now, I did do this in brown because I'm trying to pretend like this is a dog house. That's the reason for the brown striped paper. This photo frame is what she wanted on the front, and it's off the sticker sheet. And the internal photo is going to measure 2 7/8 by 3.5. The word bark came off of a 4x6 card. I actually cut these letters out. I didn't want to put the card on the front. These are 2 of the cutout cards. The rest of these are off the sticker sheet. And then we have the spine. And then on the back, which is full of dogs, and so I thought it was appropriate to put the word woof on the back. Now I want to protect the acetate, so if you'll bear with me, I'm going to put this back on. I did accent in pink throughout, but because I lined this in brown, I stuck with the brown ribbon on the front so as not to break the colored pattern. So here on this first page, these are off the sticker sheet. And these little things, items here are off the sticker sheet. And I use them to create a tuck. And then this opens up. It's magnet closed. And then here we have some panels that flip open and closed off by ribbon. And then the inside here is a double tuck. Now over here, I took one of the 4x6s and I made a shaker box out of it, and I put lightweight pink shakers in there so that, again, it would lend to the pink. Here's the pink ribbon that I've used. So then when you open this up, here is the ability to write in dates, times, date of birth, when the dog passes, when that time comes. And then we've got some photo mats. This is a tuck. And then over here we have a flip up, which is for a photo. And then down here we've got a tuck on this page. And then when this opens up, you'll see that there is another pocket over here. And then a big pocket here and lots of room for photos. And I put this on a little bobble. It's a dish off of the sticker sheet. God, I just had a blank spot there for a minute. So then we close this back up, and I am going to, if you'll bear with me, tie this off real quick. I'm not doing a very good job, but I don't want it flopping around. All right, so then over here, I did a double pocket on the front. These little cute items here are off the sticker sheets, all of these. And then when we open this up, we have a double page here. We've got lots of photo opportunity here. We have pockets. These are off the sticker sheet. And then when you open up, this is that big 4x6 card where I'd cut out the word bark. So it's just sitting in here in this pocket. And then you've got more photo opportunities. And then here's a small little tuck pocket up here. And then we're going to go ahead. I'm not going to tie that. And then here, the word fetch comes off of the sticker sheets. And then these are photos. And this is too big, but these are photos. I've got photo card stock in here that can be pulled out. But the photos are 2.5 by 2.5. Again, these came off the sticker sheet. But behind it is the pocket. So then when we untie this, And then here's a big pocket up here and another one of those cards. I used 2.5 packets of this paper, so that's why there's a repeat of some of the cards. So then you've got a dark pen, you could journal here, but then you've also got photos here. And then we've got side pockets here. Open this up, and then we've got a waterfall. Now, I don't typically cover the back because I would think that a photo here, maybe some journaling up here with regards to the photo that's down below. Okay, I'll go back and tie those a little bit. On this one here, we have a nice little tuck with a photo mat for up front, and then these came off of the sticker sheet, and this says right here, it says, well, it's not going to throw itself. So we've got the ball and we've got some toys here off the sticker sheet. And then this opens up, and here you can do some journaling. You can put some smaller photos here on this side. On this left side, as you can see, there are 4 photo mats plus this big area here for a photo mat. Then we've got a small photo mat right here, and then we've got another big pocket. And then I love this. It says, you had me at woof. Now this is a tuck for something small. And then the last one, this, instead of a tie, I've created some pockets here on the front, and I'm using this tuck to keep it closed. This came off of the sticker sheet, and I added some pink ribbon. And then these being additional pockets up here, there's some tags for it. Then when you open this up, photos and a big pocket to stuff all kinds of items into it. So that is the album Hot Diggity Dog by Photo Play. And if you have any questions, just give me a message. Thank you.